Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use protein mode on ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started with choosing what team we want to be a part of. So right here in the bottom right corner, we have the team section, from where we can get started filtering out teams and finding which one is the best for us. So go ahead and choose your team, and now we can access the workout page right here. From the workout page, we can get started with following workouts of our team, and now we can get started using protein mode. So protein mode on the ladder application simplifies nutrition tracking by focusing solely on your daily protein intake. So instead of stressing over strict calorie counting and tracking every macronutrient, you log your meals and the app automatically tracks your progress towards your daily protein goal. And you can do so by accessing the nutrition tab right here in the bottom right corner. You need the premium plan. As you can see, ladder cannot be used for free, but if you have your premium plan ready, you can access your nutrition right here and get started with logging using voice, photo or barcode. You can scan your food that you had and it's automatically going to calculate your protein and your goal, and you're going to see what you have eaten in the day and what you need to eat more. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.